Hi guys, welcome to Roman Mechanic channel, and today I would like to talk you about formation of lock stitch at 2-needle machine. For example, I take the 2-needle machine from Siruba R7 to 8, and I will talk a few moments for good formation of lock stitch in this machine. At first you must check your regulators. When you turn this nut at left or right, the tension of thread must change. Sometimes the shaft in regulator can be too long, and you must grind 2 or 3 tenths of millimeter for good working of our regulator. How we can do it? We take the thread, twist, and your right hand turn nut at left or right, and you must feel the tension of thread must change it. The tension of the spring must be even, because then the tension of spring will be not even, our stitch is will be not quality. When you sew, you must check in needle plate in this place. Must be clean. What I mean, this place must be polished, not any bare. You must check timeliness of a lot of bobbin holder of hook. What I mean, when the hook take a loop, a lot must turn our bobbin holder enough for going of thread. When your hook with semi ring have some little tail in this place, and when you sew a thick thread, you must cut off this tail like this. Now I will show you. In semi ring we cut off a tail, and this our semi ring, and in this place we grind and polish a little chamfer for light going of our thread, upper thread. For this I use this wheel. I don't know how its name in English, but it's something like rubber with little diamonds. And polish. All time we must to check the thread must to go free, not any stuck in any place. So we adjust our lotte in timeliness, in length of work. Sometimes we must grind with bobbin case in this place for light going of our thick thread. I will show you. Tension of our compensation spring must be good adjust and must be even, like all springs. It's very important when all springs this and this spring and in this hook spring must be even. One moment more. This clearance from plate to this spout of needle holder must be enough for free going of thread. One moment for this bobbin holder. In this place was the little spout, but in our machines we adjust hooks very late, so in this angle thread stuck it, so we grind this angle for normal free going of thread. It's very important when the hook is adjusted very late. I mean nearby 55 or 60 angle of spout of hook to needle in down position of needle. Next moment, in holes for needles must be little chamfer for free going of our threads, and in this place and down in this edge must be little grind and polish. Sometimes in presser we can do little chamfer is in this place for thick thread. Next moment, the thread in the hole of needle must go free. For example, the thread number 30 is not good for needle number 90. its usual thread, but sometime in at left needle the thread then the formate a loop in a needle for our hook. Our thread can do something like this, and the spout of our hook can punch with thread. So for this problem we use the thread with right twist for left needle. Do you see different? For right needle we use left twist thread. For left needle we use right twist thread. It not always, it just for not very quality threads. You must see how to work your thread under the needle plate. How I say, in this place, in this edge, in left hook, in this edge at right hook must be polished, because some bear can to make bad stitch, and in this edge of left hook and at this edge of right hook must be grind some little chamfer for free going our thread like this. Next, how I say, must be enough clearance here. So you must adjust your hook up or down if you can to do it, or up or down the needle plate. And it's some old hook with tail. It's for thin thread, but for thick thread or the very late timeliness of hook with little tail must be cut off and grinded and polish how I show it. So I think this all this moment must to help to make ideal stitch. So I hope all these moments will help my friend from Madagascar. So thanks for watching, and subscribe for my channel. Bye bye.